How to trade on LBank Exchange app for beginners spot trading tutorial. Now if you would like to begin trading on LBank Exchange as a complete beginner, it is actually quite simple to do so. First of all, launch the LBank app, and I'm assuming you've already went ahead and then signed in and even also created your account. As in when you open the app, this is the normal interface you will see. At the very top, you can refer someone, you can use Launchpool, you can deposit crypto from other networks or by buying them by using this button right here. But trading basically means buying and selling of cryptocurrency for a certain amount of profit, or in some cases unintentional loss. So to trade, at the very bottom you can see the trade option in this yellow icon in the center. Just tap on it, and at the top you can see buy or sell. Now, if you have any sort of crypto that you have in mind that maybe you want to buy, first of all you can choose an order type, which is a limit order, market order, or trigger order. Once you've done that, you can simply enter the limit that you would like to enter. So if it's a market order, you can set the market price. If it's a trigger order, you can set the trigger price. I'll simply set this to limit. Now I can simply enter the amount that I would like to buy. After that, I can tap on the buy option right here. Now if I want to change the crypto that I want to buy, I can simply tap on it, and let's say it's Bitcoin, I can select Bitcoin and I can choose to buy BTC for that amount. Now once I've done that, you'll be able to see the assets in your current account, and which you can choose to transfer or anything. But later, if you decide that you want to sell, at the very top, as you can see, just go to the sell option, again set your limit. After that, you can tap on the sell option to be able to sell them, and once someone accepts your order, the money will be deposited to your account. That's all it takes for you to trade on LBank Exchange app as a complete beginner. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.